Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a PlayStation to your TCL TV. To do that, you're gonna need a two-sided HDMI cable and of course your PlayStation. So it's PlayStation 5 in my case, and to connect it to your TV first you're gonna have to connect it to the power source. So insert the power cable into the back side of your PS5 right here, and after that insert the HDMI cable, one side of the HDMI cable, into the HDMI port on your PS5. After that you're gonna have to locate the HDMI port on your TV. In my case it's located on the right side behind the TV, so just look for it and then insert your HDMI cable into an available HDMI port. Make sure that the cable is inserted firmly from both sides, and after that turn on your PlayStation by pressing the power button on it, and then to switch to it on your TV you're gonna have to find and press the input button on your remote control. So in my case it's located right under the 7 digit on the keypad, and then find the highlighted HDMI input and press OK and wait until your TV has switched to PlayStation. Besides, you can also enable the game mode on your TV by pressing the gear button on your remote control to open TV settings, then go to System Settings, navigate to Game Mode and switch the toggle to the right next to this feature, press OK, and now you are ready to play on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.